Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And if you've watched my previous videos, you will know what this video is. This video is the big mystery box from Jeffree Star. This is the premium one, so this is the big one. I'm pretty sure this is the premium one. This one asked for my size in it, so we're going to see if we get a merch item. We're also going to see what's in it because it is pretty hefty. A little bit heavy. Now, like I mentioned in the other videos, there is different packaging for this one. Obviously, this one's red, but you have the Jeffree Star logo, the mystery logo, and the stocking for this one. So, if you want to see what I got in this mystery box, then keep on watching. So, like I mentioned in the past mystery box videos, I ordered all three, and all of them came together because he shipped them in one big box. He normally doesn't do that. Normally they ship in separate boxes. I'm opening this towards me, which is very stupid. He normally ships them in the mystery box that they came in, but this time he literally shipped them in all one big thing. So we're gonna put this up here and we're gonna open it. And we're gonna see what you see. What do you guys see? Ooh. We got one of his new merch items. Okay, this is sick. I need to fix, all right, the mirror. Okay, the lighting. We got one of his new merch items. We got one of his new merch items. I'm in a size small, and that's what I got. We just got a freaking hoodie. I'm so pumped. We're ripping this open. Woohoo! We got a hoodie, people. All right, this literally launched for Black Friday, and we got one. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics hoodie. It says Premium Cosmetics Company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, Ohio. I'm from Ohio. It's Calabasas, California. I'm a genius. And it has the Jeffree Star logo on the side in purple. Oh, and I didn't even notice it has the word iconic right here. This is sick. Ooh. It's nice and warm on the inside. It has the Jeffree Star logo tag. It smells a little weird. Oh well, we got one of these. I'm so excited. If you don't know me, okay, calm down. If you know me, okay, I was making sure the one item was in there. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with hoodies. I literally wear hoodies all the time, and this is sweet. All right, done being a little dramatic person, like normal. All right, so we got, as I see right here, we got some stickers. We've gotten stickers in all three of our boxes, but I think that's super cool. If you want to know me talking about these stickers and the drama that was behind them, go watch my first mystery box video. I mentioned it, and I also mentioned a little bit in the second one. But these are sick and cool. I really think they're awesome. Really do like them. All right, next we got a straw, and it actually comes with the pipe cleaner to clean it. I mean, I have other straws that have that, so it's not a big deal that they never came with it. But this is the straw. It is candy cane. Now, I think it's just straight. This came candy cane. You have the Jeffree Star logo. You have it's white with the red stripes for candy cane. It says on the back, be iconic and classy with this Jeffree Star approved metal straw. I love his metal straws. I've been using them like crazy, so these are definitely approved. Go buy yourself some if you can. Now, what do we want to open? We're saving the mystery item in this one last. Okay, we're going to do a Supreme Frost. Yes, I don't have this one either. I literally have gotten everything so far that I haven't gotten so far. Okay, I think I might see one that I've already gotten. We have two, but they're two. One's a shade I like, the other one's a crazy shade, so we're going to see. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is Candy Apple Drips. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. This is from the past summer collection. The back of it says, sparkle to the max, bling bling, a word I cannot say, or I'm gonna get demonetized. Shine bright like a lighthouse, extreme payoff, vegan and cruelty free. So it's gonna be green. We already know that. So this is what she looks like. It's super gorgeous. This is what the back looks like. But this is super gorgeous. We're gonna swatch it. Oh, beautiful. That's what she looks like. Holy crap. This is what she looks like. Super, super gorgeous. I really enjoy this. I don't really need the box anymore, do I? Next, we have 2 liquid lips. We have one in the shade Soft Served, which this shade is mine. I'm keeping it because this is one of my favorite shades by him. This is a beautiful nude. We'll swatch this for you. Oh, gorgeous. This is what it looks like. Super gorgeous. Really do love it. And next we have First Class, which is from his holiday one a couple years ago. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful gold, beautiful gold. And it's metallic. This is what this looks like. Super gorgeous. I really do enjoy them. I love them. I love his liquid lipsticks. If you have not seen my Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection video yet, go check that out. It's 45 minutes long though, so grab a snack. You're gonna be there for a while. But I have a lot of his lipsticks, so. And in this one, just like in the Deluxe box, we got a palette in this from the packaging. This is the Thirsty palette, which is so freaking gorgeous. I really do think it's so cool that he's giving palettes out. Like, the other one had Blue Blood in it, and this is Thirsty. Like, this is another hit palette. Like, it's huge. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's got the water drip on it. It's so sick. So sick. So we're going to open this up for you guys and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, the Thirsty palette. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. And then this is what she looks like. Super gorgeous on the inside. I wonder if these colors are going to be slightly better than the colors that I have, because mine are kind of okay. But we're going to swatch the palette that I already own, because I feel like that's the smart thing to do. Okay, so this is my Thirsty palette. This is mine. These are what my shades look like, and I'm going to swatch them for you. So we first are going to have Parched, which is literally just a bone color. We have Taste Buds, which is this kind of orangey shade. This is a word I cannot say, or I'm going to get demonetized like I said before. It's the B word. This is Kumquat is this one, and then we're also going to do Stroke as well. So let me swatch these on my hand right here, because that seemed to be doing the best. Okay, this is Parched, which barely shows up, Taste Buds, the B word, Kumquat, and Stroke. So these are those shades. The next shades we have are the glitters that are kind of glittery, kind of not. We're going to save this for the end, so I'm going to do the last row first. So we're going to do Subtle, Quench, Submerge, and Splash, and then Drizzle. So these are all what they look like. So I'm going to swatch these as well for you guys. Alright, I did them on here. So this is Splash, Submerge, Quench, Subtle, and Drizzle. Those are those ones. And we are now going to do the glitter ones. So I'm going to take off the top hand ones so I can do these ones. These are like glittery pressed powders. Kind of a deal. So that's my favorite row in the Thirsty palette, are these shades right here. So I'm going to swatch these for you and really get a good swatch so you guys can like see what I'm talking about. Literally so freaking blinding. I'm barely putting any pressure on my hand, and they're absolutely gorgeous. This is literally what they look like. As you can tell, they're so blinding that my camera's having a hard time picking up. This one's Divine, Filthy Rich, Lick, Snatch, and Plunge. Aren't those gorgeous shades? I told you that I love them. We need a new makeup wipe. Now, like I said, I swatched my own palette because I own them. I'm not mad about literally getting another palette. I love his palettes so much. And not everyone has these palettes, so it's also a mystery box. I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting. I'm just the type that orders a bunch of his palettes when they launch because I'm able to. But this is sick for people who are getting these for like Christmas presents. Like, you're gonna be getting some cool stuff in yours. Now, yours is not gonna have exactly what I have, but it's gonna be still cool and a lot of fun. All right, so that was this swatched. We now have the mystery item we've all have been waiting for in here. This is supposed to be the Peppermint Frost. All right, so my camera battery died. Is there anything new? No. So what I was going to show you guys is the Peppermint Frost palette. I'm so excited. Okay, first off, he asked if anybody wanted him to make this again. And a lot of people are being very rude about it. Like, they were threatening him about it. It's literally just highlighter people. If he wants to make this again for the people who were supposed to get mystery boxes that got that white screen that said thank you for your order, he's allowed to do whatever he wants. Like, I don't get that. It's literally highlighters. There's no need to threaten someone over highlighters. That's a little crazy. And it's just makeup. So the back of this says, because we've been reading the back of things, beauty tip. This product is versatile, can be used for face and body. Apply with a brush of your choice and let yourself shine. A little goes a long way. This product can be used wet or dry depending on your desired intensity. You have this little snowflake. Oh, we gotta be careful with this packaging because we want to keep it. Hold on. We're getting tweezers and my dog just ran into my door. Gosh, that was so hard to open. All right, ready? I didn't want to ruin the packaging because I want to keep the packaging because that's what I do. Look at this. Gorgeous. Frickin' gorgeous. This is the most gorgeous frickin'. Oh, I just opened it. Look. It smells like peppermint. What the? The highlighters literally smell like peppermint. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, hold on. Breathe. Okay. This packaging is gorgeous. It literally looks like a frickin' peppermint. Looks like a candy cane. You open it up, and this is what they look like. This is gorgeous. These shades are gorgeous, and it literally smells like peppermint. How? Look at these. So you have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and and Chocolate Ice. Very gorgeous. Okay, let's swatch these. We're gonna do them all. Ugly Sweater. Oh, it's gorgeous. Ice Gold, Igloo Gold. I want to see Ice Cold because that's one of his shades. And Chocolate Ice. These are it. It's too blinding for my camera. Too blinding. Oh my gosh, these are so buttery. What the? Jeffree Star. What did you do? What did you do? Holy crap. These are them. This is Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. Look at these. So gorgeous. And the fact that they look adorable, smell like peppermint. This literally was worth the freaking box. This is literally all I wanted out of this box. And whatever came with it was cool. We got some sick things in this. Oh my, this is amazing. This is truly amazing. And that is everything in our box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see my past mystery boxes, all you gotta do is watch the videos that were before this, or you can go into my unboxing playlist and you can see literally all of my Jeffree Star unboxings of my mystery boxes. I'm pretty sure they're all there. If you want to be the next post notification shout out, all you have to do is click that notification bell and comment done down below and let me know that you did. And if you want me to call you anything, like if you want me to say your YouTube name, that is your username, or your actual real name, let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Click that subscribe button if you want to join the fam. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below also what you guys got in your mystery boxes. Did you order a mystery box? Did you enjoy everything you got in it? Did you get any repeats? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!